It's all about salmon. I have this beautiful piece of fish and I want to use it all. I love poaching salmon, and to poach, I need a liquid. I'm making a cooked bouillon. It's a fast and quick broth, and for it, I need lots and lots of acids. The acid are gonna take all the flavor out of my veggies and make it very aromatic. Never use the herbs, always use just the stalks. They hold a lot more flavor. Some white peppercorns, some dried thyme, and some fennel stalks. A white mirepoix, because I want to avoid color. So no carrots here. Lots and lots of water. A cooked bouillon means exactly that. In about 20 minutes after simmering, ready to be strained. And now, that cooked bouillon, it's beautiful here. Strained up, all the flavors are on. To poach salmon, I want all the meat to be exposed, which means no skin. I'm gonna show you a fast way of taking the skin off a full fillet. I want my knife angle to touch the skin so it actually brushes it off. With the little piece of skin that I first cut, I'm gonna pull. Amazing, right? So fast. With a little heat and a little salt, I can turn this into the perfect garnish. Double paper and some weight. If you use a second pan on top, not only keeps it level, but it also applies the same amount of heat from the top and the bottom. Low heat, and it's gonna be awesome. My fillets are beautiful, pink and plump, and I want generous slices. I go with the grain, and the poaching will do the rest. Look at how gorgeous those are. A little seasoning. I have some fennel. Some zucchinis. It's a clear stalk. I get to show off a lot of color. And now, my king salmon. The liquid, only halfway, because I want the steam to do the rest. I'm gonna simmer this. It's gonna slowly poach. I want the salmon to stay beautifully flaky and tender. Get closer, come on. Wow, so gorgeous. Remember that crispy skin? The perfect garnish for this. Poaching, definitely my favorite way into a salmon.
Here, let me put this.